Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer CapCut project or CapCut video from your device, from your phone into the PC. So now, before you open CapCut, you can consider to go to the Play Store and search for the CapCut app. Here you can try to update your CapCut first. I already updated, so here in order to update it, or if you update the CapCut, there is some issues that fix, so improve the trimming experience and fix some minor issues or bugs. So please update this app often, because maybe in the future there is some new feature that can enhance your video or editing experience. Let's get back. Now we can open CapCut. So here, don't forget to create or sign in with your account. So if you don't have one, you can create it, and also make sure your CapCut PC version log in or sign in with the same account with the device or with the phone one. So here, in order to upload into the PC, you can tap three dots. Here there is a small three dot beside your project. Here you can tap on upload to space, enjoy secure cloud backup, and more. See, after that you can open CapCut from PC from your desktop version. Now your project will synchronize with the PC version. You can edit your project from there. So it's very easy, right? This is very important. You have to create your account first and sign in with the same account on your desktop or PC version. So both app will synchronizing. Feel free to try to upload or to synchronize your project from your phone to PC or vice versa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.